Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install MT5 on your PC and sign into your Deriv account with these simple steps. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I drop exclusive videos like this. So let's jump right into the video. First things first, you're going to type deriv.com login. Okay. Now, if you don't have an account with Deriv, I'm going to drop the link below at the description so that you can sign up and get yourself an account. Now, Deriv is one of the world's largest online brokers that offers CFDs and other derivatives on forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and derived indices to millions of registered users across the globe. So they are one of the best, if you ask me, out there, best brokers out there. So quickly we're going to click on login. Okay, and we're going to log in into our account. Okay, now the next we're going to do is we're going to click on Traders Hub. Now we're going to go down, scroll to CFDs. Okay, now we're going to be clicking on standard. Now for those that are just joining the platform, you're going to see it like this. You're going to see it get. Now you just, all you simply need to do is click on the get, and then you have for a demo account they're going to give you a $10,000 demo account to practice with. Now I'll advise those that are just joining the platform to, first of all, practice with the demo and get themselves accustomed to the trading platform before they fully invest. Okay, so now we're going to click on open, and now you can see the broker deriv.com limited, the server deriv demo, login ID, which is this, then the password. Now the password is the password you used when registering um your Deriv, when signing up on Deriv. That's the same password you're going to use for this account. Now Deriv came up with this idea of using one passport a password for all your accounts. Okay, so quickly you're going to click on download for those that are using Windows. Now for those that are using Mac, click on here download. But for the course of this lesson, you're going to click on download here. You're going to click on the download button and it's going to download. Now it's going to be like this Dairy 5 setup. Now you click on that and it'll tell you to allow this app to make changes to your device. Now you click on yes, and after that I've already installed that into my PC, so I'm not going to go through those steps anymore. So after that, you're going to have the Deriv MetaTrader on your PC. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that once you sign up, um, it will take you straight to this open an account, okay, with the broker's name, deriv.com limited. So all you need to do is click on next and go to connect with an existing trade account. Okay, now the login is your login ID. So if you want to get your login ID, you just simply need to go back to Chrome and then copy your login ID here. Okay, and after copying your login ID, you go back to your Deriv MT5 and you paste it there. Okay, so let me just do that quickly. Click on next on existing trade accounts, and we're going to paste our login ID here. Now we're going to use our password. Okay, so let me now we are logged in into our deriv accounts. So now what if you want to add your indices to your chart? How do you go about that? You simply come to Market Watch, click to add. Okay, you can type volatility, or you can type boom. Let's say you want to add boom 100. Click on enter. You want to also add crash 100. Click on enter. Okay, so we have boom 100 and crash 100 here. So let's say we want to add this to our charts. Want to add it here so that we can be able to analyze the market. What we do is you right click and then click on chart window. Now it adds a new chart window below here. So this is the chart window for boom 100, and then let's add for crash 100, the chart window for crash 100. Now you can go about setting this to your preferred templates. Maybe you don't like the way it looks. So how do you do that? You right click and go to properties and then colors, color scheme, change it from green on black to probably color on white. Now this is how it looks like. Okay, click on OK. Now if you want to change the background to another color, right click, go to properties, green on black, color on white. Then you go to background. You can change the background to whatever color you desire, and then you click OK, and you have yourself your deriv account logged into your MT5 platform.